Wow, that's great. Clap for yourself. Wonderful. Okay, guys. I hope कि आज के सेशन में आपने बहुत enjoy किया होगा. Okay, so Amarisa, can you tell me which song we have learned today?
We learned the farmer plants the seed.
That's great. Okay, so this song is related to germination process. Okay.
Yes.
So you want to say something?
We hope कि आप लोगों को आज के सेशन में मजा आएगा. We hope you all enjoyed it, and let's move on to the next session.
Welcome again. Welcome to Fun and Learn with the Orchid School. With whom? With Miss Savera. Before starting and before learning new things, I am going to ask you few questions. Are you ready for them? Okay. Did you have the breakfast in the morning? Healthy breakfast? Good. Did you wash your hands frequently? After and before every meal? Good. Or did you wear the mask while going out? Yes, you have to wear the mask while going out because, as you know, virus is there. You have to wear the mask while going out. Okay, stay safe, stay healthy and stay at home. Okay, now I will move on a new friend and a new sound, that is, let's see, who is it? Wah. What is it? Wah. Look at my lips. Wah. This is wah. Okay. Wah, watering can. And what do we do with the watering can? Yes, we water the plants with the help of watering can. Okay. Wah, waste bin. We throw garbage in the waste bin. Okay. Do you have the waste bin in your home? Good. Wah, watermelon. Oh, it's red from inside and green from outside, and it's very juicy and sweet in taste. It has many seeds. Okay, you like to eat watermelon? By the way, it's a summer fruit. Okay, now move on. Wah, window. Window. Do you have windows in your room? Yeah, you should open the window once in a day because it's important to have fresh air in your rooms. Okay, done. Watch. We know time through the watch. Okay, are you wearing watch today? Okay, boys love to wear watches. Okay, good. Now, after wah, what is this sound? Wah. After wah, we are going to move inwards. Okay, inwards. We already have learned E sound and we have already learned in sound. Okay, E, in makes the sound of in. Okay, you have to remember E and N makes the sound of in. In. Okay, in. Now, s, in, sin, s, in, sin, b, in, bin. As you know, bin is a recycle bin or waste bin or dustbin. We call it bin. Okay. In, fin. This is the fin of the fish. You know, it is located in the side of the fish. See, like this. In, fin. T, in, tin. It looks like a Coke tin, isn't it so? You like Coke tin? Good. T, in, tin. Wah, again, wah. Wah, same wah. Wah, in, win. You have won or you win the race. Win means you have win something. Okay, done. Now we will move on. Months of the year. We have learned the spelling of January. We have learned the spelling of February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. Till October we have learned months of the year. You liked it? You learned it, huh? Okay, that means you are learning a lot. Wow, that's great. You have learned from us. It's a great feeling for me as well. Good. Now we will move on the spelling of 11th month of the year, and that is November. And one more thing I will tell you. My birthday comes in the month of November. You have to tell me when is your birthday come. Now November. I'm going to spell November. Ready? N-O-V-E-M-B-E-R. November. And it's the 11th month of the year. I hope you are learning a lot. Isn't it so? You have learned new sounds, days of the week, months of the year, colors, fruits and vegetables, and so many things. But we are going to learn more together. For what? For that, you have to wait till tomorrow's episode of Fun and Learn with the Orchid School. With whom? With Miss Savera. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Bye. Allah Hafiz.